Okay, so something pretty big is happening with XRP right now. And if you're even casually into crypto, this is one of those moments you might want to pay attention to. And more on that in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange with some really nice benefits. There's no VPN or KYC needed to get started. It's been around for 13 years. You get access to over 300 different cryptocurrencies, and you get up to 500x leverage. Plus, there's bonuses. There's a 10% deposit bonus when you use my referral link down in the description below. And you can get bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if you'd like to research this more, if you're ready to get started, you can find that link down in the description below. All right, so XRP has officially entered what a lot of analysts are calling a breakout phase. That means it's pushing past the resistance levels that have kept its price kind of trapped for months, let's be real, especially since early in the year. We're talking about a descending triangle pattern that's finally been broken, which in technical analysis usually suggests a strong price surge is coming. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just technicals lining up. The fundamentals are looking hot too. So on May 7th, XRP's on-chain activity absolutely exploded. Over 824 million XRP were transferred between accounts. And just to give you perspective, that's more than double the average for the rest of the month. Like, that's wild. Spikes like this don't happen randomly. They usually mean either big institutional players are moving in or whales are positioning themselves for something major. And in both cases, it's often a bullish sign. Now, when you match that with the price chart, you start seeing the full picture. XRP is currently sitting above some key exponential moving averages, especially the 21, 50, and the 100-day EMAs. And these are now acting as support, not resistance. And that's a big deal. It's what traders look for to confirm a breakout is real, not just a temporary blip. If XRP keeps this momentum and stays above these EMAs with solid trading volume, a move up toward the psychological $3 mark is very possible. In fact, there's not a ton of resistance until it gets close to $2.80 to $3. And with the RSI currently above 63, there's still breathing room before we enter overbought territory, meaning there's still space for XRP to keep climbing without looking overstretched. Let's go back to that on-chain volume for a second. That massive 824 million XRP transfer activity could mean two things, and both are bullish. One, it might be large-scale settlements, like real-world usage. And two, it could be whales getting ready for a price rally. Either way, it points to rising demand and utility, and that's exactly what fuels sustainable growth in crypto. Now, just to be clear, there is a scenario where XRP pulls back a little. If it loses some momentum, we could see a retest of that breakout level around $2.20, but even that wouldn't be a deal breaker. It would just delay the next move up. It wouldn't invalidate the bullish setup. So in short, XRP's finally broken out of a months-long sideways grind. The chart looks clean, the trading volume is legit, and the fundamentals, especially the payment activity, are all firing at once. And that combination doesn't happen often. If it holds the line and volume stays up, we're potentially looking at a run towards that $3 target. And if that happens, you'll probably start hearing a lot more people talking about XRP again, especially those who've been watching from the sidelines. So yeah, this isn't just another random crypto bounce. This looks like the start of something way bigger, assuming the momentum continues. So guys, buckle up. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments below. And thank you so much for tuning in. Again, you can find the link to BTCC in the description below. I'm also over on Blue Sky. We're at 35 followers right now, just 5 followers away from our next goal to hit 40. If you'd like to show your support, you want to drop me a follow, you can find that link down in the description below. I'm at Crypto Atlas on Blue Sky. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. as well as my YouTube members. God bless, guys. We'll see you in the next episode.